Hello everyone. Wala, suot ko pala yung salamin ni Zulf. Hi everyone. So, today is February 26. 25! 25! And we're celebrating Ruiz's early birthday. We're gone for a week, which is my birth week.
Yeah.
Kasi, yun.
So, guess where we're going? We're going to... This is like my second time, guys.
Kailangan namin umalis na like right now kasi syempre,
Yeah.
we have...
Okay, guys.
Look, you see that attitude again? We were here before you, ha? We were way before you.
Sabi niya, I don't think you can take care of her. Oh,
Wow! Hindi mo siya nawala. Kinaling namin alagaan mo nang wala kayo.
Be humble.
Guys, be humble naman, oh. Lawyer, please.
Okay, guys. We're going to Vista now. Wala si Stephen kasi tatakas pa yon. Okay, guys. On the way to Vista. Yan na, si Zeus. Si Adi. Both of them are there.
wala pa kayo.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We're at Vista.
Hindi ako na.
It's really hot. Okay. We're gonna go change now into our clothes kasi alangan namang nakapi kami. Eh di nag-field trip na kami. Okay, guys. We'll see you there. Hi, guys. We're in the CR. We just changed.
Actually, kami nagpapapal. This is so cute!
Okay, guys. So me and Zaya, like
We're
blue.
matching. Me and
Navy,
Amber.
navy blue. Hold my hair. We just know.
My hair is growing.
Basically, okay, I'm bleeping this all out, whatever. Okay, guys, we're so cute now. Okay, guys. Okay, come here. We'll take a photo here. So, are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yes.
Excited kami. Kaya natatakot kasi baka makita ko ng mga kabanda ko.
Okay. Paano to? Ipopost ko to sa net-net. Makikita nila ako. Okay. Ito si Chloe, guys. Chloe, say hi.
May,
you have boyfriend?
mas may nails ako dito.
Honey,
Pampit ko yan sa gitara, huwag mong ginadyan.
you have boyfriend?
Boyfriend? Ano nga, boyfriend?
You don't have boyfriend?
Oh shit, my boyfriend.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh, hug na. She wants a kiss. Next point.
Pero naiinis ako kay JP ngayon. Naiinis ako kay JP. Wait lang, mag-rant ako. Alam mo ba? Oo. Alam mo ba sabi ng JP? Ano si Luis? Ano sabi ni JP?
Sabi niya, no, you can't take care of her.
Like, hello, bago pa siya dumating sa buhay ni
Hello,
Zia,
nauna
nandito na
kami.
Yun ang Zeus, wag mo sasabihin sa amin yun na maiinis. JP, nandito ka. Ako nandito na, okay? Grade 4 pa lang, nandito na ako.
Ay, syempre.
Nag-i-split na kami sa stage nung time na yun.
Okay, guys. Bye-bye.
Lalambing sir yun.
Oh, okay. So, okay. Hindi ko kita eh. Hindi ko siya nakita.
Si, okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Ayan. Takas pa mo.
So, tumakas ka talaga.
Kasi hindi mo lang sabihin yung totoo. Oo nga, ba't hindi mo lang sinabi? Hindi ka naman napapatayin nun kung if ever.
Oo nga.
Hindi yung bakit.
Ano daw sa...
May bahay kayo sa ano?
Bye kami sa Tagaytay.
May bahay kayo sa Tagay.
Tama ka talaga yan, no? Pag ako talaga in-interview sa bahay.
Patingin. So guys, oh my gosh. This is moralidad.
LPSK.
Panindigan mo ang iyong...
Lahat mali sa LPSK.
Ang cute mo guys. Oh my gosh. So, ang goal namin makauwi by like 10 or like 9.
Saan ka senior high?
Oh my gosh, really?
Layo. Pero sige, hindi naman.
Bound to happen. Kasi nung grade 9 pa lang, sinasabi na sa akin.
Ano?
Jeans ni Kuya, di ba gusto mo na lagi na maganda jeans? Ayaw.
Buksan ko yung din.
Kuya.
Cut.
You're the light, you're the light, you're the color of my... Flashlight ba yan? Yung flashlight? Light, light, light. Okay, give us another song.
Please watch this summer. I miss you so much. I have the update for you, Summer. Don't worry.
Oh, yeah.
She's
Oh,
asking
yeah.
for update. Diba sabi niya
Oo nga
naman,
naman.
please update me if ever don't happen.
Okay. Zeus, kakanta ka din. Oo, Zeus. Kanta ka, Zeus. You'll be safe.
Okay. Okay.
Na, chorus na kagad.
Oh, close your eyes. Okay.
Kay Stephen, gitara. Saan na?
Close your eyes.
Royalty, and nothing is clear. You'll be sing ka! Oh, I want Iris. And I'll give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. And I don't wanna go right now. Hindi kaya kong matulog ng ginagawa.
Kaya kong matulog ng ganyan.
Okay, chorus. And I my little soda pop. You're all that you're my soda pop. My little soda pop. I got it. I'm sorry. Everybody raise your hands up. Hi guys! We're here! Hello! Na kami. Kompleto na kami guys. Turn mouth.
Nak, smile kayo, Nak. Ay, naalala mo yung tayo mo dito?
Oh, I was so good, wasn't I? Yan ba yun?
For the kids.
Magwa-warm up muna kami kasi may dala kaming bata.
Sino kaya?
Yung bata, oh, ayan.
Nasa
oh.
likod.
Okay.
Ito pa, Stephen. Stephen, ito ba?
Nakakarot? Are you happy?
Yes, I'm so happy. Nakapila pa lang kami. Ang sexy ako na.
Okay, that's good.
Look how high it is. Guys, Vikings lang kita na.
So, pag
Hindi ko kaya ko na magsalita ng parang 10,000 words dyan. Hindi, mga 1,000. Hindi ko 1,000. Pwede ko makapag-usap. First time sa akin. Dito, pero nasa taas.
Kasya ba tayo anim dyan? Anim po.
Ito ka lang yung dalawa.
Ba't kayo nandiyan?
Bad trip. Okay, fine.
Okay. Ganun kayong masaya, sige. Okay guys.
Okay lang. Kaming apat naman talaga.
Oo. Side characters nga lang sila. So, this is the caterpillar, guys.
Wala na pong tatayo.
Wala. Stephen, wala nang tatay ko.
Stephen!
Oh, panoorin na lang natin si Stephen, guys. Ayan, oh.
Ang lambing naman nila.
Ganun sila. Oh. Do Vikings next, which is my all-time favorite.
It's like the best ride in the world. It's something na sobrang tagal ko siyang gustong i-ride. Ngayon lang ulit after so long. Ang huli kong Vikings is nung field trip. And that's like last year pa. And Vikings is something talaga na gusto ko talaga. Grabe. So, yeah.
Oh my gosh! Oh my God!
Malapit yung sabihin niya malapit.
Tabi naman kami ni Amber. So, syempre, basic lang to sa amin, guys.
Yeah, of course!
Basic lang ha, basic. Basic?
Oh, baby.
Stephen, basic? May alala eh.
Basic ba?
Next stop? Vikings. But you're Maddie. Oh. Hey guys, ito na, nasa Vikings na.
Jojo! Go!
Maddie, go, Maddie.
Let's go!
Good job. I'm gonna...
Tapos gusto niyo 5? 25 minutes tayo nandito.
Yeah, pagpakawak ako dito. Akala ko naman.
Okay, hi po.
Hi, titigil ako. Hi!
Guys, so we must calculate the slope of the Vikings. So if this is the Vikings, this is the X, Y. Give me your hand. This is ano to, X, Y. The Viking go like that. So pa-Y na siya. So is that
Anong quadrant yan? Negative
quadrant?
Hindi.
Anong sagot eh?
Pagpalit.
Kaya kayo naatay kitang mag-represent. Ganito siya. Okay guys, so we're just calming ourselves kasi that was intense ha. A moment of silence. Even if I enjoyed, I don't think I can do 5 Vikings.
Same.
Kasi nakakahilo.
Grabe. Ang tanda na kasi namin, guys. I'm sorry.
Dati kayang-kaya pa
Kahit basic lang yun dati sa amin eh.
Na-demonstrate na is tingnan mo yung kaibigan mo tulala.
Pinasakay niyo ba naman yung Vikings eh?
Kunyari, tatawa tayo eh, okay? 3, okay. Dito, titingin tayo sa isa't isa. Tatawa. 3, 2, 1, go. Time lapse. Kunyari, time lapse. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Kunyari, nag-uusap tayo. Smile.
Oh my gosh!
Hey guys, we rode like, yung sa like EK thing, yeah. And now, we're here sa bigger roller coaster. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kasi hilong-hilo na.
Okay, dahil ako in charge of vlog every after ride. Okay, guys.
Hey guys, ito naman katabi ko today.
Yeah, switching off kami. Pero sila, wala silang choice. Sila yung lagi.
Araw.
Guys, alam mo, sa lahat ng ride, ganyan talaga sila.
Ay naman eh.
Hi guys, ito sa harap.
Hindi mo na
Ano masasabi niyo? Excited. Inspo for today, Stephen and Zeus. Okay. We'll see you guys later.
Oh, pati ako nadamay. Sige, tara na. Wow! Ayoko na.
Okay guys, now we're going to the Ferris wheel. This is gonna be my first time riding it. Sorry. So, yeah. I'm school representative.
Guys, pagod na.
Pagod na sila. kami ang mag-date. Tingnan mo, blue,
We are
white.
matching kasi.
Yeah. So, we're not gonna, we didn't want this date, but like, it happened. I'm from Korea. Where are you
I'm from North Korea.
I recommend having a partner with you.
Okay guys, so we just finished the Ferris wheel.
It's the calm before the storm.
See guys, basic lang yan.
Pang-anim na namin to.
Oo, ako to, eh.
Sige lang kuya, sabi mo eh.
Okay guys, this is our state right now. Guys, after the second Vikings, hilong-hilo kami.
Lahat kami, kahit kami dalawa ni Adi, kami tatlo na matibay sa heads, nahihilo kami. So, grabe.
Matanda na
Paano
kami.
pa kaya si Nazia? May gusto na awa ko na Nazia. What? I'm not nahihilo.
Wow.
Pero kanina, grabe ka na makasigaw.
lang yung ano ko.
Nahihilo siya.
Si Zeus
Oo.
talaga.
Siguro magkaiba tayo kasi kami dito second rate kami.
Sila.
Okay, I'll be the main star of this vlog. Teka lang. Okay.
Okay, sige.
Sino ba mag-edit na ito? Ikaw? Edit mo ako ah.
Okay.
Tawang pinipili siya. Simula't muli ng aking pag-ibig.
Their third round. Siyempre, dapat kasama pa rin ako. Kasi... Wait, nakikita pala ni Tita to.
Yeah.
Hilo na, and I'm here. I'm still standing here. And
Ayoko na.
sa first ride kasi, nahihilo ako. Like, syempre, first ride pa lang yun eh.
Okay lang. So, sobrang ganda. Ayoko nang ulitin.
Ikaw, how was the ride?
So good. I've had enough.
Me, how was the ride? It's good.
Okay guys. We're eating now.
Poem recitation na ginawa niya?
Poem for Sophia.
For me kasi.
Okay, the title is Cute. Hear that?
Ready?
I'm ready. Why are you so cute? I feel so mute. I feel the brute.
In front of his dad,
Ba? You understand?
as I'm cute.
Okay. Happy birthday, Sophia!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hey. Okay.
First gift, guys.
This is from
Amber.
Oh.
This is...
Kamuha niya kasi.
I like this.
Aww.
Ito lang yung plushie ko na galing kay Amber.
Oh, that's nice. That's sweet. I like it.
Aww. I'm gonna make clothes for this. Gusto lang ba?
Oh, yeah.
Pa namin ni Ian. Sabi ko kasi ni Zea, hanapin mo yung mas may maraming blush. Kasi kapag nag-ano ka, pag umiingi ka, nag-blush ka kasi.
Aww.
Okay.
Okay, this one is...
This is from Zea.
Okay.
Ano kaya to? Oh, it's the same. They bought this earlier kasi I saw them sa Vista. They were hiding it from me.
Aww.
Now I have two plushies
And
from
it's
my very
blue.
best friends.
Aww.
This is the first time this has happened. Alam mo yung mga plushie ko? Alam to ni Daddy. Nasa labada.
On?
Yeah. Kasi nga, kinakagat ako. Feeling ko, it's like
Okay, okay.
Kasi I kept it in the cabinet.
Okay, you call that Bambi.
Bambi, why?
Tinulungan ka na magparakap sa content natin.
Parang that was like 6 years ago, ha? Hindi lang ako nagko-content. Okay. Hindi ka makakauwi, Stephen, ha?
Sige, please.
Papalakarin mo? What is that?
From Tita!
Aww.
Hi, Tita. I love you so much. What's this? Aww. Oh, this is from the mall. I'm so bad at opening.
Aww, that's so cute.
Uy, gaya.
Aww. What does it say? Fia? Fia, look. Ayun o, Fia. Sa mismong keychain.
Oh,
Pia.
What's my name?
Pia.
Wow!
Yay!
Hindi mo,
Naiwan niya daw sa bahay.
Very, very nice.
Eh?
Pinaghandaan daw niya.
Pinaghandaan ko to. Oo.
Sobrang laki naman ng regalo mo.
I'm so excited for it.
Bumaba
Okay,
yata siya sa
my
akin.
theme kasi something blue, something borrowed, something old, something new.
Bumabawi kasi siya sa akin sa duster na binigay ko sa kanya. So grateful for the duster.
Yeah,
Sabi-
thank you.
Sabi ko sa'yo,
I haven't
gusto mo
worn
na
it.
yung duster.
I haven't worn it.
Oh my God!
Just...
Hirap po pa. Hirap yun ha.
Yeah.
Alam mo, ganito kasi ako mag-gift sa inyo. Bumabalik sa akin. No?
Oh, yan muna buksan mo. That one. Both of this. Okay.
Wow, I love the effort.
Sorry, Walter Marte. Because, okay, there's a reason for that. Because I want you to excel in the things you try to do. like the
Madaming
things...
gift o madaming rapper.
Give, of course. Because I want you to excel in everything that you do, every skills that you have. So that's a gift that you can remember me by.
Oh, thank you, Abby. I love you so.
Go ahead, open yours. Now,
Nakakainis si Mickey mo. no?
it's your skills. Ano ba?
Oh, it's good.
And it's blue because so you can make your own something or anything you want.
I like that. Ata ba to? Binalot mo pa. Binalot mo pa.
It's a candy. It's candy.
Manok to.
Oo nga.
No guys, it's actually my favorite.
Oh, diba?
Daddy,
I thought you haven't tried it, kaya nga bibigay ko eh.
di ba we buy this? May ulam na ako bukas.
Food, great energy. Kasi health is wealth, okay? Sophia, health is wealth. Tandaan mo yon.
Oh! Miss you. Okay? Babawunin ko to sa Singapore.
Okay.
Sa Singapore ko babawunin.
Yeah, you have candies as well.
All blue. All
Yeah.
blue. Ah, great! Oh,
Oh, you can open that last.
oh, last.
That's my something borrowed. Damit ko. Remember nung mag-thesis tayo?
Hindi ko sa akin.
No, something borrowed nga. I borrowed it from Zia and gifted it to you.
Adi, I like it so much. Mahal naman talaga na.
This is something cute.
Pinag-effortan mo talaga.
I really did. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! You didn't have to do this.
I did.
You did it.
I have
Show the camera. Yeah.
Something blue.
How much?
Where did you buy this?
Online. Kasi wala. I got it for 80 pesos.
Shipping fee.
Kasama na.
Hindi ko ito kakainin. Tatabi ko lang.
Okay.
Kasi tumatawa si Adi habang nagbabalot niya mo.
Kahapon.
Oh my God. Ano to? Online din to?
Dapat nga mukhaan nating dalawa pero sa'yo na lang muna.
Dapat yung sa ano, yung gala natin ng birthday mo, yung dalawa kayo dun sa...
Yung parang
Sobrang-
ano kami kriminal.
Nasa akin yun eh.
Enjoy. Sabi ko, I burned. You go. Read it, read it.
Unang line pa lang kayo pang nabasahin. With emotions.
Yeah.
To my dearest wife. Wow, asawa? I feel as if I'm writing to you from France. I'm fighting.